Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes at your home and doing all the exercises or work that is given during live classes. So students, I am here with a grammar fun from the chapter number 4, a visit to Shillong, from your English reader book. Now let's have a grammar fun. Words that tell us what a person, animal, or thing does are called verbs. So students, here we are going to know about verbs. So the words that tell us about what a person, animal, or a thing does are called verb. Verbs show action, so they are called action words or doing words. So students, do you know verbs show action, so they are called action words or doing words. So students, if I ask you why verbs are called action word or doing words, so you have to answer me, because verbs show action, so they are called action words or doing words. Now let's read the example of verbs. Grandpa, please drive slowly. So students, here grandpa is driving. So the word drive is a verb in this sentence. Now let's do the filling the blanks that is given here. This filling the blanks is related to verbs. Fill in the blanks with correct verbs from the bracket. So students, here in brackets some verbs are given. You have to choose the correct verb and write in the given blank. Let's read the first one. Sona blank the drive. So students, in this story, you know very well Sona loves the drive. So here the correct verb is loves. So you have to write loves in the given blank. Now look at the second one. Nana blank at the greenery. So students, as you know that in the story Nana looks at the greenery. So here our verb is looks. So you have to write LOOKS looks in the given blank. Now let's come to the third one. Granny blank a picnic basket. So students, look here, two verbs are given in the bracket. First is write and second is packs. So students, the granny packs a picnic basket. So here you have to write PACKS packs in the given blank. Now let's come to the fourth one. I blank the plants in my house. So students, here the two words that is given in the bracket are climb and water. So students, here the correct verb for this sentence is water. So here you have to fill water in the given blank. I water the potted plants in my house. Now look at the fifth one. Dheer blank a rope. So students, the verb that is given in bracket are speaks and skips. So here the correct verb is skips. S-K-I-P-S, skips. Dheer skips a rope. Now let's come to the question number I. What do Nana and Shona like to do? Look at the pictures and number the action. Students, look at the given picture. Here some action words are given. So all the action words are known as verbs. It means all the words that is given here are verbs or action word. So here you have to write the number of action in the given picture. You have to look and recognize what Nana and Shona are doing, and you have to choose the correct action number and you have to write in the given circle. The first one is done for you. Here look at the picture. What is Nana doing? She is talking. So here the action word for this picture is talk. So 3 is already written in the given circle. Similarly, you have to do next pictures. Now look at the next picture. What is Nana doing? She is drawing a picture. It means the action word for this picture is draw. So you have to fill 5 in the circle. Now let's look at the next picture. What is Sona doing? She is reading a book. So here the action word for this picture is read. So here you have to write 9 in the given circle. Now look at the next picture. Sona is feeding a duck. So here you have the action word for this picture is feed. So you have to write 4 in the given circle. Now look at the next picture. Sona is eating a watermelon. So here the action verb or action word for this picture is eat. So you have to fill 8 in the given circle. Now look at the next picture. What is Nana doing? She is drinking. So here the action word for this picture is drink. So you have to fill 6 in the given blank. Now look at the next picture. Here Sona is listening a music. So the action word for this picture is listen. You have to fill one in the given circle. Now look at the next picture. Nana is keeping a rope. So here you have to fill two in the given circle because the skip is action word for this picture. Now look at the last picture. What is Shona doing? She is clapping. So here the action word for this picture is clap. So you have to write 4 in the given circle. So students, this is a grammar fun from this chapter. I hope you understand about a verb that is also called action word or doing words by this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.